Alright, I just got this in the mail just now. I just opened it up with my trusty knife. It's literally overnight from Japan because I checked the tracking and it was in Japan yesterday. Now today is in America. Ooh. Interesting packaging. Advertising the Spoon Kenpachi Auto Salon, which they had during Tokyo Autothon. It's actually pretty well packaged. It's individually packaged. Alright, let me see if I can open this up with one hand. Alright, so first things first is, this thing's actually pretty hard to open. Okay, I see. First thing first is, it's obviously a Spoon Sports product. And it's the blue mirrors. Cool. Packs pretty well. Don't mind the crankshaft in the back. That's something I'm selling. Okay, and I unpackaged the rest of the stuff. So this is the Spoon tranny mount. You can see like in the rear here. This piece is not in a stock one. This is what Spoon added to give it more stiffness. I'm assuming it's gusseted. So pretty cool. I mean, I guess you could, if you know how to weld and like fabricate, you could probably make this on your own, but I don't really know how to do that. And then Spoon engine mounts. 1, 2, and the little tranny mount things, the rubber pieces. Yeah, and that's it. Pretty cool.